and show you how awesome and great it is. So make sure you follow along. More to come. We're going to start getting this thing taped up, get it sorted, and be able to get this paint job going so we can work on getting it done. Then we can put on all the new stuff we got. People love the internet. We are working on the old Volkswagen again. So if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate all the traffic and comments and opinions and thumbs up and downs everyone's sharing on the rolled on paint job. So hopefully we can impress and show you how awesome and great it is. So make sure you follow along. More to come. We're going to start getting this thing taped up, get it sorted, and be able to get this paint job going so we can work on getting it done. Then we can put on all the new stuff we got. Alright guys, the old Butte. We got Adam back with us. Oh yeah. And we are taping up that line like we talked about last video. So we're doing the reverse tape on top of the old paint because you're all concerned about overspray. I got paper. So we're going to paper it because we're going to try to make this the nicer final coat of the ivory. So we're going to be able to work on the ivory. We're going to tape this off here, cover stuff up over there, minimize overspray, work on spraying that, and then Adam will be my co-man and get the roller, and we're going to spray it with a rattle can, and then he's going to roll it to texture it and to smooth it out, make sure there's no weird like splatters. So that is the goal. It's going to be awesome. We're going to go and tape up the other side. Then we're going to commence Operation Destroy the Internet with a rolled on paint job. Ken's in it. Ken's in YouTube. Show the world, yeah! Alright guys, prep work is going down, wiping down, knocking off the dust. Got the old paper up, both sides ready, and finish taping up the handles. Get ready to spray and roll and teach the internet the proper way to paint a car. Alright, here we go. We're going to paint it. We got air getting vented, we got things covered, multiple cans been shaken. We got the rattle can and the roller. So we're going to hopefully finish the ivory or get really close to getting the ivory done so we can flip over, do all the other blue stuff in the hood, and do the top coat again and all that fun stuff. So keep watching. Alright guys, look at there. We're getting more ivory, getting it all taped up, done up. We're gonna work on the other side. The spray's been working pretty good so far. We're definitely gonna have to get more paint. We are almost out. We went through almost 4 cans. So here we go. Other side. Looking good. Alright, getting fumed out in here. But there is the other line taped off in ivory paint. And there's the 4 cans we killed. So we're definitely going to have to do another coat. We'll sand it down again, do another coat, make sure that it's awesome and solid colored. And then we can, when we clear coat everything and we finish the blue, we'll be able to finish sealing the ivory color as well. One big seal-a-thon that day. Maybe we just get some old lacquer and roll it on too and seal it. So we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna let it dry. And the hardware store's closed, so we don't have any more paint. And yeah. Fanning off over there. But it's looking better. It's gonna be an awesome color combo. We got rid of that line for you guys and the tape and all that stupid stuff. And so we're gonna keep going, dry it, buy more paint another day. Maybe tomorrow I'll put another coat on it while I have it in the shop. And then we can finish doing the fenders, paint the trunk, the hood and the fenders all blue, and then do the second coat on the top. Alright guys, we're going to work on some body work, but thanks for tuning into this episode of Wide Open Throttle as we break the internet some more with this crazy paint job.
And as we break right now for some slushy.
Yeah, slushy break as we break everything. So again, thanks for tuning in, thanks for following along. Make sure you continue to like and subscribe and comment below. See how we're doing, see if you like the outcome. The next big step is to finish these fenders in that spot on the hood so we can do the blue. I'm ready to finish this blue paint and be able to get it all clear coated. So progress is happening. Make sure you continue to follow along. Again, till next time. Yeah.